So are we going to make it? What am I talking about? All right. I won't make you wait for my answer. Here was the idea for the video. Are we going to make it? Are we going to basically take over that zero and move up where, we have, instead of 5 zeros in a number, we have 4 zeros in a number. Are we going to make it? The answer is absolutely. And we've actually already done it. We've just given some back in the last 4 or 5 days just because of the market volatility. But you can see, look, on the 1 day, we're crushing it. We're up almost 9.6%. Actually, we have been, I think, have crossed over 10%. Look at the volume, 87% up right there, up 87%. So what does that really mean? Money. We have money flowing in. We have retail money flowing into Shib right now. And that's really what we needed. Retail dollars. You and I are retail dollars, retail holders. We needed this to move us up. And I'm going to show you this. Shib is crushing it in the context of out of the top 100. You can see that only Pepe right now is beating it as far as 13% up, but crypto is rising in general, but we've got major money flowing into SHIBA INU. Remember, I showed you that 87+% spike in volume. That is significant, and SHIB's running away with it as far as percentage move up. If you kind of look at the overall broader market, we are having some money flow into the broader market, which we absolutely 1,000,000% need. We're up 1.4%. 1.46%, say that really fast, across the board. But like Bitcoin back up to 29.9 effectively. Ethereum not really doing a lot. Ethereum hasn't really been impacted as much as Bitcoin as far as kind of price volatility as of recent. But look, we've got money flowing into XRP. Even Doge is up 2%, Cardano 2%, Solana up 6.8%. Polygon up 2. We are getting some broad market movement, meaning money flowing back in, which is what we needed. We need to take a look real quickly at Leash and Bone. Leash is not moving as much, but you can see on the 7-day, it's basically up 11%. And on the 1 month, Leash is up, it's more than 1.6. It's so every now and then coin market's giving me a little weird numbers. Okay. So that's obviously a wrong number. Okay, so anyway, there it goes, 19%. Took a minute for it to kind of do its thing. So on the 1 month, Leash is up 19%, and on the 1 day, obviously 2 day, 2%, etc. Bone, kind of similar story right now. Bone's really flat right this second, not doing a lot. I think Bone is going to spike as we get a little bit closer to Shibarium. We know that Shibarium is basically coming in about 7 days, inside of 7 days. August 15, 16 is going to be launched at that major ETH Canada event, and the Futurist the Futurist event, the gathering there, the big all that kind of stuff. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, so that's what's going on. Yeah, I think we're gonna make it. Are we gonna make it? Yeah, we're gonna make it. We're gonna basically take over that zero, move back up. We're going to get there. It's just a kind of a matter of when. Like I said, and Shib's doing this good. This is good stuff. We're seeing it move forward. That's all I got. As always, thanks for your support. I'll see you. Bye.